Challenger. I'm over the out of commission, man. Damn. Before y'all niggas say, nigga, you can't even drive, bro. You couldn't even hold a V6 down, bro. You crash a V6, nigga. It was an unfortunate situation, bro. But I am gonna be rebuilding her, so she gonna be back on the street in no time. No airbag deployed or nothing, so y'all already know. Damn, is it locked? It's locked. But she's gonna have a whole rebuild process in very soon. I see that hood fucked up. So we're gonna replacing the hood, obviously the fenders, the bumper, this headlights, and we're gonna be replacing this one motherfucker right here. It looked like it did hit my intake a little bit, but I don't really see any major damage to this for real. So I think that should still be good. And I also gotta replace my grills because that shit fuck up my grill. And let me see my splitters though. That bitch is good. Yep, the splitters are good, so I gotta replace that. Rims are good. Just little basic shit though, that's all it is. What is that? Look like the fog lights are good too, so yeah, little basic shit. We're gonna have it fixed, we're gonna have it replaced. Y'all already know. And as a matter of fact, I think a few parts might have just arrived. 1 second. You probably got my parts in there. Just like that, we got a bumper right here. That's the fender for the Challenger. So far, we got all the parts. Just like that. I'm gonna start to build on the Challenger. Yep. Yeah, let's get it. It's dark as hell, but we got both the headlights installed. Finna put it a bumper, but as you can see, it's getting dark as hell. So we're gonna leave it right here for today, and car gonna be ready tomorrow.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
just like that, we got the car all washed up, looking nice and clean, all fixed up. There we go. All cleaned up. There is some like imperfections here and there, like you can see right here. The bumper just sticks out just a little bit. So there's some line gaps right here. But little shit like that you don't notice. It's perfect right here though. But the paint too is the paint is insane. I mean, look at the difference. That's painted, that's not painted. I mean, you can see yourself, man. Full restoration. The car is back in business. All nice and cleaned up. Rock and rolling. And yeah, man. So just like that, we are back in business. And I'm really excited how this car turned out so far. Like you would see your car damaged and fucked up, and you would think, or ain't no way it's gonna look as good. But here we are. It looks really good, really nice, all cleaned up. I'm close this for y'all. I hate that shit. I hate that shit so much. Like this. But just like that, man. I mean, if y'all enjoy content like this, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can comment if y'all want to see me do more rebuilds with my dad, because we own a body shop and we do rebuilds like this once in a while. So yeah, we got baby in the car. She looking mad as hell. But if y'all ever want to see a rebuild like this ever again, I mean, y'all can subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some cool shit coming through, some more like vlogs and videos, more shit with this car. I'm gonna add this car for a minute. I'm gonna add this car for a long ass minute. So y'all gonna really see some cool shit coming up with this car. And I'm thinking maybe I'll wrap in the future, some cool wrap, because it's black now, so I can do whatever I want to it. So, you know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And that's the end of that.